Welcome aboard everyone. I am Cadet Villanueva Nil Justin B. Today, we'll talk about the muster station, different emergency alarms, and why training and drills are so important for safety at sea. Let's keep it simple, clear, and easy to understand, so let's get started. A muster station is where all crew and passengers gather during emergencies. It's a safe area, often on the deck or near lifeboats. Your muster station is listed in the muster list posted around the ship. Always go to your muster station when the alarm sounds and follow the officer's instructions. Emergency alarms and procedures. Fire alarm. When you hear the fire alarm, go to your muster station immediately. Officers will guide you to fight the fire or stay safe. General alarm. This is 7 short blasts and 1 long blast. It means there's an emergency on board like fire or flooding. Grab your life jacket and go to your muster station. Abandon ship alarm. If the captain orders to abandon ship, the general alarm will sound, followed by verbal instructions. Stay calm, go to your lifeboat station, and board safely. Man overboard signal. When someone falls overboard, you'll hear 3 long blasts. Point to the person, shout man overboard, throw a life buoy, and help the crew keep sight of them. CO2 alarm. If there's a fire in an enclosed area like the engine room, the CO2 alarm will sound. Evacuate immediately, as CO2 gas can replace oxygen and is dangerous. Engineer's call. This alarm is for engine room crew to address issues like fire or flooding. Engineers must respond quickly. Cargo hold flooding. If there's water in the cargo hold, alarms will sound. Secure the cargo, start bilge pumps, and report the issue to the captain. Pollution prevention. If oil or chemicals spill, stop operations. Follow the Shipboard Oil Pollution Emergency Plan, SOPEP, and report the spill, clean up immediately. Engine room flooding. If water floods the engine room, sound the alarm, seal off the space, and start bilge pumps. Notify the bridge and monitor the situation. Importance of training and drills. Training and drills is important in different aspects. To our knowledge, drills help crew members to understand what to do during emergencies. Speed. Regular practice ensures quick response and reduces confusion. Teamwork. Drills build coordination among the crew. Confidence. Familiarity with procedures reduces fear during real emergencies. And safety. It minimizes risks to lives, the ship, and the environment. That's it for today's video on emergency procedures on board. Remember, knowing your muster station, alarms, and drills can save lives at sea. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maritime tips. Stay safe and see you next time.